How are you doing today? Good morning. I'm doing good. Thanks for asking, guys. I'm doing good. Good morning. Good morning. Good. Poonam, Abdul, Dipendra, Pradeep. Yep. Nice. Hi, Aaron. Hey, Ujwala. Nice. Okay. So, first of all, yeah, today is our last day with you. It was an awesome day with you. Thanks. Yeah. Yeah. That was. Let's discuss on this topic once we finish this technical, and we'll talk about that. Yeah. But I would just like to request you again that many people not have they have not shared the feedback yet, like Kartikeya, Lalita, Prasad, Ramakrishna, Ramya, Sri Lakshmi, Arun, Deepthi, Dipendra, Fazlu, Hari. Oh God, there are many guys. So please request you to do that. All right. So guys, what we have pending is VPSC peering, right? Okay. So let me open that. VPSC peering. Let me share my screen. Guys, can you please confirm? Can you see my screen and can you hear me well? Okay. VPC peering. So you know very well about this VPC peering. So first of all, guys, yesterday we have done one VPC architecting, right? Mumbai VPC here, Mumbai, right? So now today what we do is, again, we will set up the Mumbai VPC, and parallelly we'll set up in another region completely an Ireland VPC. Same concept. So we'll be architecting 2 times. So one is in Mumbai and one is in Ireland. Okay, now, so same thing, we launch one Bastion server and one private server, and we log into here. And from here, right? Yeah, Ireland, very good. Ireland is 192, 169. So here, but in Ireland, do we need Bastion, guys, in Ireland? Because our aim is to connect from private server directly to the private server of another region. So we don't need to have Bastion, but if you have, doesn't, okay, but you will be connecting like this here. So the goal here is, from this private server, I should be able to do SSH all the way to this private server using VPC peering. Okay, na? So fatafat, what I do is, I'll go and set up to this infrastructure first of all. Okay. So Mumbai VPC, Ireland VPC, and I launch the EC2 instance. Guys, please tell me how to do this. You should be telling it, and I will be doing it. Yes. So 27126. Go to VPC. Excellent, Babji. So I'll go to VPC here. Let's go one by one. Let's create a VPC, guys. So let's call this as Mumbai VPC and 192.168.0.0.16, and then create it. What's the next step? Internet gateway. Let's create an internet gateway, Mumbai IGW, and create it and attach it to the VPC. What's the next step, guys? After internet gateway, subnets. So subnets, create a, so I call it as public subnet. Which VPC? Mumbai VPC. I'll put in what is the CIDR? 192.168.1.0. Same way here, we'll create a private subnet, Mumbai VPC. I'll put it in 1B, and this time it is 192.168.2.0/24. What is the next step? NAT. So let's create NAT and select public subnet, allocate one this guy, and then create a NAT. All right, and I call this as Mumbai NAT. What is the next step, guys? Routing tables, right? So create a routing table. I call it as public RT. I'll put it in Mumbai, create it. And one more I'll create as private RT, and I put it in Mumbai VPC and create it. And for public RT and routes, all the traffic should be routed to internet gateway. Boom. And which subnet should be associated? Public subnet. And for private RT, all the traffic should be routed to NAT. Right? And which subnet should be associated? Private subnet. For doing this, actual companies will pay a lot of money to the consultant for this 2 minutes, for this 1 minute, right? So yeah. So guys, we are done here, and let's go to EC2 and then launch EC2 instances. Should we create our own security group? Let's create our own security group. So I call this as Mumbai SG. And what happened to my mouse again? So Mumbai SG. Which should I'll go to SSH also here. All right, and my IP, create it. And we should have our own rule, right? So I select just a second. So select this inbound all traffic, put it here and save target to itself. And then let's go and launch the EC2 instance. Why 3? Okay, 3 in Mumbai. Here you should 2. Yeah, 2 from Mumbai. Yeah. Red Hat. Next, I'll select Mumbai. I'll go with public subnet. I need to enable this. And then next, I go with name. This is Bastion server. Next, existing security group Mumbai review, and then boom. And also I launch another machine which is in Mumbai, should be in private, and I strictly disable the public IPs. Next, and then I call it as name, and I call it as Mumbai private server. Oops. And then next, Mumbai review, and then launch. Guys, is this clear what I have done? Super. So let's do the same thing in Ireland VPC. So let's go to Ireland. You can take any region, guys. I'm just taking an Ireland. Select Ireland. Okay, let's do the same thing here, VPC. Create VPC. This time is Ireland VPC. And what is a 192.169.0016? Guys, 192.169 is the CIDR. Create it. So, and then internet gateway, I call it as Ireland IGW, create it, right? Yeah. And then attach to VPC, Ireland VPC. What's the next step? Subnets. So create subnet, I call it as public subnet, which Ireland VPC, I'll put it in 1A. What is the CIDR? 192.169 1.0. Same thing, I'll create private subnet and Ireland VPC, I'll put it in 1B. And this time this should be 2.0/24. Very good, Jagruti, Babji. Nice. What's the next step? NAT gateway. So go to NAT, select public subnet, allocate one IP, create NAT. Ireland NAT. Next is routing tables. Create routing table. I call this public RT, Ireland VPC, and private RT, Ireland VPC. And public RT routes, all the traffic should be routed to internet gateway and subnet, public subnet. And for private route, all the traffic should be routed to NAT. Does this process update more than yes, yeah. And then subnet should be private. Fantastic. Okay, so should we go and launch one EC2 instance in Ireland? How many? One in which subnet? In private subnet. So let's go to Eratopy, Red Hat. Next, Ireland VPC, I'll go with public subnet. Sorry, private subnet. You don't need to even create a public subnet, right? Directly go with the private if so yeah. Here, next, I call it as name, and this guy is Ireland private server. Next, yeah. Oops, should we create our own security group? Let's create our own security group. So Ireland SC, and we'll select SSH, my IP, and select this, get this bloody guy, edit it, self all traffic. Great. So let's go and launch instance, Red Hat T2 micro, Ireland VPC private, and strictly disable that. And next, I call it as Ireland private server. Next, and Ireland SC, review it, and boom, VM instances. Guys, everyone clear till here? What we did? We just set up these two infrastructure. Okay. So what do we do? Should we now log into the Bastion and from Bastion to private server, and we'll go and sit here first of all? Yes, let's do that. So EC2, these guys are ready. Let's log into Bastion. Get the IPs. IPNs. connection 9 a.m. batch. Okay, boom. So very good. We are able to log in it, and I go to sudo. And should I go with private? Now I need to go into private, right? If I do connect, but do we have that 9 a.m. PEM file there? Guys, no. So let's go and get that 9 a.m. PEM. Copy it and vi 9 a.m. batch dot PEM. Insert mode, right click and save it. And then ch mode, 400 and 9 a.m. batch. And should I run this command now? Okay. Ooh, we are able to connect it. So guys, where I am now, I'm in my Mumbai private server. I'm in my Mumbai private server. So the aim, the goal is from here to go where? To connect to Ireland. So let me get that this guy. So here I'll put it. Will this work? Definitely not. Definitely not. But guys, it is expecting Ireland demo.pem file also. Na? Should we create that PEM file? Keep it ready. Yes. Ireland demo.pem. So let's get that Ireland guy also. Ireland demo. Copy it. And then paste it. Save it. CH mode, changing the permissions. So read permissions. We are giving the read permissions to that file, 400 meaning. Okay. So guys, now I have this PEM file. Will this work? Guys, will this work? Will this work? How, yeah? Have we done peering? We have not done the peering, na? So this is 192.169 completely different subnet range. And we are connecting from that to from Mumbai 192.168. So without doing anything, how does it connect? It doesn't connect. So now let's go to the topic. So from where to where you need to do the peering? Mumbai to Ireland, Ireland to Mumbai. Mumbai to Ireland. So let's go to Mumbai. And on the left side, do you see these peering connections? So we have peering connections. Go and click on create peering connection. So let's call it as here Mumbai से Ireland जाने वाली peering. Who is the requester here? Mumbai or Ireland? Mumbai wala. Guys, remember this VPC peering can be done in the same account, in the same region, other account, other region, kaisa bhi, anything. You can do the VPC peering also in another account completely. So now I have same account. Which region? This region or another region? Another region. Which region we have the VP? Another, we need to do the Ireland. Who is the acceptor here? Ireland VPC. Get the Ireland VPC ID. So this is Ireland VPC ID and put it here. VPC ID acceptor. Got this, guys? You understood? What to give, how to give and all? Yes, click on create peering connection. So guys, now peering connection, the request has been sent to the Ireland guy. So Ireland guy need to accept that request. It's just like sending the Facebook request and you are accepting it. So Mumbai wala has sent a peering request to the Ireland. And let's see in Ireland. So I'm in Ireland here on top. I go to peering connections and do you see that pending acceptance? Should we accept it or reject it? You can accept or you can reject, you can delete completely. Let's go and accept request. So guys, it is now active. And if you go to Mumbai Wala is also active. Guys, now see the peering has been established. But now I'm sitting in this private server and I'm executing this command. What command? SSH -I EC2. I'm connecting to 192.168. Guys, I'm connecting to 192.168. Now tell me, all traffic in this private subnet is routed to. Now, is routing to the NAT. NAT is sending to the internet gateway and is sending out. But our VPC peering is like, 192.169 is the one which I'm getting connected. So that meaning I need to add a route, right? Yes, excellent. In which routing table? Public routing table or private routing table? Excellent. In private routing table, we need to send a route. So I'm going to the Mumbai guy routing table. Which routing table? Private routing table. So additionally, I'm adding a route. What route? Which traffic you need to send? 192? Which traffic? City. Which traffic? 192.169 traffic should be sent to where? Yes, Hari, very good. You can give only 2.0 also. Very good point, Hari. I'm just giving the entire range, but you can give 2.0 also, only that particular subnet. Yeah. To where I need to route this traffic? All the traffic should be routed to the Piyush. Very good. Peering connection, right? Peering. So we have to Mumbai to Ireland peering, na? Yes. Save it. So guys, anyone in the Mumbai, right? Anyone in the Mumbai is trying to access 192.169. That should go with this peering connection. This will go like this on this peering connection. Okay. And should we give this guy also on the other end, on the Ireland guy? If any Ireland guy try to connect 192.168 to Mumbai, he should go to the peering only, peering also, right? So I'll go to Ireland, private routing table. And here also, guys, in Ireland, which traffic? What's network? 192.168. Excellent. Plus 16 should be routed to peering connection. Okay, bye. Peering connection is done. Now, should we try to connect? Let's try to connect. Guys, still it is not working. So guys, if it's still not working, if you are not able to connect to the EC2 instance, what is the first thing that you should choose? You should see, you should check. Thumb rule. Excellent. Security group. Let's see the security group of the, in security group, Mumbai SG. See, from where I'm doing SSH, yeah? From this 192.168.2.2. From this, I'm doing SSH to 169. But here, SSH is allowed from my IP address, from my laptop. From my laptop, I have already connected to the Bastion. And from there, I have moved to the private server. And the connections are happening from 190 to 168, right? Yes. So that meaning here, guys, I need to add a route again, SSH. This time, custom which traffic? The other way around traffic. 192.169.0.0/16 should be allowed, right? On the other way around, on Ireland, the opposite routing should be allowed. Add rule SSH 192.168.0.0/16. Vice versa. So now let's go and do that. Wow. Do you see this, guys? Do you see this? Boom. 192.169. I have been connected to 192.169 from 168.2. So from Mumbai, I have now connected to the completely different region, that two private subnet, that two private server directly using VPC peering. Got it, guys? You understood? So the magic is all is between the VPC peering configuration, routings, and then security groups. So if you play around with these three things, you can do anything now. Is this clear? Everyone, any questions? Guys, CC? Excellent. So I have already sent you, sent to Babji this, I think you might have already got this VPC notes, right? So you sent to the group also, right? Yeah. So steps for Windows, it is just MSTSC remote RDP connection, RDP, Manidip. You know, guys, you know how to connect to the Windows machine, na? Remote desktop. Using this, get the IP and then hit it. That's all. Yes, Babji, I'll send the VPN notes. I have been sent. I need to just phrase it and then I'll send it to you. So Babji, send me an email. I'll send the pending is the VPN notes. So if at all, if anyone is interested to set up the VPN, so you can go through that particular thing and you can easily set up VPNs. Great. So guys, once you are done all these things, please terminate it. Should I terminate or do you have any doubts on this? Should I go and kill it? Yes or no? Should I go and terminate? Yes. Okay. So you should definitely go and terminate it. This is the way. So terminate these things here first, machines. This one also terminate it. And delete the NAT. And here also delete the NAT. And wait a bit. So guys, did you already register that WizLabs? Did you already purchase with 150 rupees? How many of you are done? WizLabs. So Vandana, check with the group. So I've already shared a WizLab thing where you can do the practice papers. So do that practice papers and guys, and also the certification. So where do you book the certification? You can just put AWS certification login. So just go to this AWS training and certification. So you just sign in here. Guys, I don't remember. Wrong, correct. My root. So you log into this AWS certification. And here on the top, you have certification and go to your account. Yes. Demographic information under. Wow. What? Yeah. So whatever. So here you can schedule a new exam, guys. Right. So you need to log in with your account, root account, not with IAM. So here, schedule a new exam. I cannot schedule. So probably I need to update some information in my profile. So I cannot go now publicly. So guys, here you can just click on schedule new exam and just continue with that, and then boom. Definitely should be able to. Yes, 65 questions, 130 minutes, and 150. It's with GST and all, I think $170 in total. How many attempts we'll get, sir? So students, my students will not talk about attempts, only once. Fasak. Okay, Jitin, sir, you're always focused on certification questions, but interview point of view, you are focusing less. Really? So first, guys, whatever the certification questions is, the interview questions, right? So it is not about, I see, guys, interview, if you're good in certification questions, easily you can clear interview, because interview guys, they don't even go deeper as like certifications. So interviews questions will come on based on the practicals, guys. So if you have done the practicals, yes, you are good to go. You're good to go. Let me delete this first of all. Okay, I need to delete the peerings also. So here, okay, and then let me delete this first. And then here also. Vandana, you missed the classes and you're asking here again. Please check with the group. I gave that already. And then here. Yes. And then elastic eyepiece. I should release it later. Yes, I'm clean. Okay. Yes. Yeah, my next batch is starting. I think. Yeah. Check with the. I think it's starting today at the evening. So check Dipendra with the. You can check from AW Naresh IT. Yeah. Naresh IT. Website. Naresh IT website. Go to Naresh IT website. Always AWS, huh? Naresh IT. So go to Naresh IT here and go to new batches, and you should see the online schedule. So here you should see mine is starting this, and they can register. Okay. So many people have mailed me that when is my next batch for their next guys. So please check this here. Any more questions? Okay. So now I think many people wanted to directly talk to me. They want to talk to me, and they want to give some nice things, nice feedbacks, I think. So many people started asking it. So guys, let's take one by one. So I'm unmuting. And whoever wants to talk, you can talk. Just a second. Allow partners to unmute themselves. Yeah. Can you unmute by yourself now? And then you can talk. Just tell your name and then, yes, go ahead. Yes.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Hi, sir. Very good morning. This is Babji.
Hi, Babji. How are you?
I'm doing good, sir.
Good, good.
Actually, while starting off this AWS course, I felt like it is a rocket science. But after 2 to 3 classes, I feel that I wasn't right. And I want to say thanks from my bottom of the heart. And your positive approach and your patience, answer for every question, it is extraordinary, sir.
Thank you very much, Babji. Thank you.
And I want to tell every 1 hour and 1.5 hour class is like, it is like 5 to 10 minutes for me.
Okay.
Actually, I enjoyed as well as miss your classes at 9 a.m. every day. So eventually I will get job, and the job because of you, and I'm the last stage of during the entry process.
Excellent.
And
Excellent.
within the month or within 15 to 20 days, I will crack the exam too, sir. I already completed 20 tests in these labs.
Wow. Okay. So is that useful? Our course, is that useful in that? Yeah.
Yes, sir. It is extraordinary, actually.
Excellent. 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 All the best,
Thanks.
Babji, for your.
Thanks a lot, sir. Thanks a lot.
No
I love you,
worries.
sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you too. Thank you. Thank you a lot. All the best, Babji, for your for the job and for the interview and for your certification. I wish all the best. Yep.
Thanks. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Yeah. Next. Guys, anyone can talk, not necessary in English. Whatever the language that you feel comfortable, you can talk to me.
Hi, this is Fahim.
Hey, Fahim.
Yeah, thanks a lot. Yes, sir. Actually, I echo the same, whatever Babji has told. So, I mean, the whole thing went smoothly, and now we are at a very good stage. So earlier we used to think that AWS is a lot and like difficult, but now you have made it so easy for us. And apart from you, I would also like to thank Babji and Piyush like for all the coordination and help that they've extended to the whole batch for all like getting the materials, creating the groups and all. I mean, I feel it as a classroom with like close friends. Basically, it was a very nice batch, like with full interaction, full coordination, and all the help. I mean, I keep seeing in the WhatsApp group as well, like people respond immediately if anyone asks questions. So, I mean, I feel it's so good to be here. Thank you so much again for the opportunity. I feel lucky to be part of this batch.
Thank you, Fahimuddin. All the best. Thanks for the kind words. Yes. Anyone, if you want to speak in Telugu or Hindi, it's completely fine.
Hi, yes, sir. This is Praveena.
Hi, Praveena ji.
నేను తెలుగు మాట్లాడదాం అనుకుంటున్నా టెన్షన్ లో ఇంగ్లీష్
పర్లేదండి చెప్పండి నాకు తెలుగు వచ్చు బాగా
తెలుసు మీరు తెలుగని మధ్యలో మీ తెలుగు వర్డ్స్ వింటూ ఉంటాను నవ్వుకుంటాను సో నాది అందరితో పోల్చుకుంటే నాది డిఫరెంట్ అండి నాకు ఆల్రెడీ జాబ్ వచ్చి నేను MBA చేశాను సో నాకు 3 years ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఉంది మోర్ దెన్ 60 members నేను హ్యాండిల్ చేశాను నేను non-IT సో నా పర్సనల్ థింగ్స్ వల్ల మా బ్రదర్ నన్ను ఐటీకి షిఫ్ట్ చేశాడు సో నేను AWS మీద జాయిన్ అయ్యాను ఆల్రెడీ జాయిన్ అయ్యి నేను ఉడిమి క్లాసులు చూసాను వేరే క్లాసులు చూసాను బట్ స్టిల్ నేను ఎంత కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అంటే అసలు ఒక్కరోజు క్లాస్ సెక్షన్ అంతా 1 day అంతా ఫుల్ ఫోకస్ చేసినా కూడా మళ్ళీ ల్యాప్టాప్ దగ్గర నుంచి లేచేసరికి మొత్తం నాకు ఏది ఎక్కేది కాదు అది ఏం అర్థం అయ్యేది కాదు అసలు అండ్ ఇన్ మై ఆఫీస్ లో కూడా ఈజ్ AWS హీరో అంట ఆయన క్లాసులు కూడా అటెండ్ అయ్యా నేను ఆన్లైన్ లో బట్ అది కూడా నాకు వర్కౌట్ అవ్వలేదు తర్వాత మా ఫ్రెండ్ వల్ల తెలిసి నరేష్ టెక్నాలజీ గురించి తెలిసి మీది డెమో క్లాస్ చూసి నేను అటెండ్ అయ్యాను ఇప్పుడు నాకు ఓకే నేను ఏమంటారు నాకు చాయిస్ కూడా లేదు లైక్ చాయిస్ లేదు ఏమీ లేదు ఇంకా నేను చచ్చినట్టు నేర్చుకోవాలి పొజిషన్ లో ఉన్నా బట్ మీ క్లాస్ ఓకే నాకు కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ వచ్చి నేర్చుకోగలను నేను చేస్తున్నాను మీరు ఇప్పుడు VPC గురించి లాస్ట్ ఎందుకు చెప్పారో నాకు అర్థం అవ్వలేదు నేను జాయిన్ అయినప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ టాస్క్ VPC చేసేసా అసలు దాని గురించి ఏమీ తెలియనప్పుడే నేను అన్ని రౌట్ టేబుల్స్ క్రియేట్ చేశాను NET క్రియేట్ చేశాను అన్ని చేశాను బట్ ఫైనల్లీ వాళ్ళ ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ద డే మీరు చేసింది చూసిన తర్వాత ఆహా ఓకే నేను చేసింది ఇది ప్రాసెస్ అనేది నాకు పూర్తిగా అర్థమైంది అనమాట లైక్ ఈచ్ స్టెప్ అసలు ఏ రోజు క్లాస్ అయినా సరే నేను అంత ఎలా చెప్పాలి నేను ఆల్రెడీ టాస్క్లు చేసేసినా కూడా నాకు ఎలా చేశానో ఏదైనా ఇష్యూస్ వస్తే మా టీమ్ లో వాళ్ళు హెల్ప్ చేసేవాళ్ళు ఆ టాస్క్ ఇచ్చారు చేసేసాను అయిపోయింది అన్నట్టు ఉండేది నాకు బట్ డీప్ గా దాని గురించి అనలైజ్ చేసుకుంది మాత్రం మీ క్లాస్ వల్లే నిజంగా చాలా కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ వచ్చింది. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. థ్యాంక్స్ అనే వర్డ్స్ కూడా చాలా చిన్నదేమో అనిపిస్తుంది. మీ టీచింగ్ కూడా చాలా అంటే కొంతమందికి మాట్లాడాలి, చెప్పాలి, మోటివేట్ చేయాలి, లైక్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయాలి అని అనుకుంటాం, కానీ ఆ స్కిల్ ఆఫ్ ఇది ఉండదు. మీకు అది ఉంది, మీ వాయిస్ లో మీ టీచింగ్ ఫ్యాషన్ ఉంది అసలు మీది. నిజంగా చాలా 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 థ్యాంక్స్. నాకు కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ వచ్చి నేను ఒక రూట్ లో సెట్ అయ్యాను బికాస్ ఆఫ్ యు.
థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ అండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ. I thank you for each and every words, Pravina garu. I wish all the best, and I can feel each and every word what you said, and kummeyindi ante.
Okay, thank you అండి.
Thank you ma.
Hello sir, good morning.
Good morning.
Sir, I'm Jiten sir.
Hey Jiten.
Yeah. Sir, actually, you are the excellent sir. There is no doubt, because earlier I joined in Norris IT some AWS faculty, but I don't feel personally. But they're good, but that is not suitable for me. So after that, one my friend is referred to you that Riya sir is there. So I just joined your class. Believe me, sir, it was awesome, sir. But sir, from my point of view, earlier 4 years back, 5 years back, I was attending in Naresh IT. You know, Mulli sir is there.
I don't know. Okay.
But sir, what they did now? Suppose somebody are coming to the in fresher level and experience level now, while they are teaching us now that that terminology he guide to us. Guys, focusing this thing will be asked by the interview 2 years only. This who is putting your 5 years experience, the interview will ask this thing. So it is very easy to us to understand. Okay, if we'll be go to the 3 years, the interview focusing on this question. But if we'll go to the 6 years, the interview will be focusing on this question. Are you getting, sir, what I'm trying to say?
Yes. Yeah.
So what is your point of view on this?
Okay, so see, from my point of view on that question would be like this. Yeah, for first 2-3 years of experience, definitely what you said is like, chill type. So after 5 years, probably mostly they will be asking you based on the project. So how did you, they don't ask what is EC2, what is S3, what you can do there. So they will be focusing more on the project view. So how you have arranged the project, what are the services that you have connected, and how is the workflow and all. So basically the terminology, etc., will on AWS is same for 3 years and 5 years or 10 years. But the language that you are using it, that the terminology that you are using it as an experienced person, like 5, 6, 7 years, that will change the entire game, right? So from course perspective, the terminology, the words are same for the entire experience, the whole experience.
Okay, sir. Sir, actually, I am in a data analytics and data science, one of the parts. So I am getting more headaches, sir. So I just decide to switch my technology.
Okay.
Because in this data analytics, I have to manage 5 or 6 tools. It is very difficult to manage, and lots of pressure is there, developing the code and all the things. So I have a 5-year experience in the IT. So can I show that 4-year experience in that, having that AWS and showing whatever project current I'm doing, so that project I'll be put on behalf of AWS?
Definitely you can do that. Definitely. Whatever that you have the confidence, you put that more experience relevant, and rest you can put little bit. So that will be the added value.
Okay, so DevOps is required?
For you, definitely required, Jitan.
Okay, so DevOps having so many tools. So if I focus on 2 or 3 tools, it's enough?
No. So I told you, if you remember in DevOps class, there will be a cycle where for let's say for source management, source code management. So most of the people will use Git. So learn Git. No, don't go for Bitbucket or something bigger thing. Learn one tool in one phase. Like learn Git, learn Jenkins, learn. See, Babji is already there, so he's already answering it. Docker, Kubernetes, right? Yeah, just see my paint on that. So definitely you'll be able to do it. But remember, Jiten, so if you attend a DevOps class, they will be taking care of all the tools. There will not be any like, okay, I'll be learning only Git, I'll be learning only Jenkins. Will I survive? No. It is DevOps meaning is a part of the whole entire pipeline. So just go with the DevOps. I hope you get also the best trainer there, and definitely you will be achieve something there also.
Okay, any point of view on your, because who will be putting that 5 years and 6 years above experience, they want a well trainer who can explain all the things. So can you refer something, some trainer?
To be honest, yeah, I have not attended any DevOps classes from anyone, but what I recommend is check with Naresh IT and attend the demo. If you like it, join. Simple as that. So
okay,
if you join, if you get it in your heart, you felt good, continue it.
Okay, sir, one more question, last question.
Yeah.
Sir, if someone will be going to putting that fake experience, it is IT, everyone is not. So putting in a development line, so someone is putting that fake experience. So it is very easy to survive in IT industry. So
I should not answer this in this forum here, Jiten, that kind of things. So mail me for anything, such kind of things.
Okay. Okay.
Yep.
Thank you, sir. Nice to talk with you, sir.
Hi, sir. This is Shiva Prakash.
Hi, Shiva Prakash.
Hi, sir. If there is any FAQs for certification questions or something,
WizLabs, Shiva Prakash. WizLabs. No need to go for FAQ and all. So for certification, 100% go with the WizLabs. Finish. Babji has finished already few there, and he already got confidence, and he's writing the exam also soon. So just go with the WizLabs. Don't go any other dumps or any other pages. That is very close. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, sir. This is Ashish.
Ashish Ji.
Yeah. So overall experience from the learning way, like it was very good. You were the starting way of your like it was very awesome, and the teaching way was also good. But I have one what I can say that one thing which I felt very bad actually. Each time we were struggling for the pet topics, like
for what?
I have a less visibility on pet topics. Like in AWS, I see most of the time we were somewhere stopped whenever that any of the subject something whenever there is a what I can say that paid payment is required. There actually I didn't get much visibility. How is the inside? How that, because I am already experienced guy. Like I am having approximately 7 years of experience in Java development, and I don't want to switch that AWS since I am nowadays actually that technology is growing, and we are also using that AWS for interaction with cloud. So that's why I joined your class. But some way I felt like in the topics where it is coming for payment and all, there I didn't have a much visibility. So
yeah,
that's the thing only.
Okay, so I'll take that definitely, but
and I think that the institute should take care about that, because in one batch 96 people are there and they are getting a 8K from one person. Definitely they can take it actually. So yeah, it's not your fault. It's a institute they have to provide, and Naresh IT is a big it's a famous institute.
Yeah.
So that was the thing actually.
Definitely,
because I know, sir, in 7 years of experience, I felt in industry actually how it is. If your experience is going, they can ask anything to be developed by you at any time actually. So in that time, we will be answerless if we are not having any visibility on any such topics actually.
Sure, great. Thanks, Ashish, for that feedback, and I'll just let the team or let the Naresh IT know about your concern, and definitely if they do something related to that, definitely I'll take care on that. But thanks for the notice. Yeah.
Hi, sir.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, sir. This is Ramakrishna Reddy.
Hi, Ramakrishna.
Sir, is it necessary to place a project in the resume, sir, for 2 years of experience in the point of view DevOps?
Ramakrishna, I didn't understood. Can you please repeat?
Sir, 2 years experience పెట్టేటప్పుడు మనం ప్రాజెక్ట్ మెన్షన్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం ఉందా సార్?
ఉంది అమ్మా, ఉంది ఖచ్చితంగా. ఖచ్చితంగా.
అంటే మనం సపరేట్ గా AWS కి సపరేట్ గా మెన్షన్ చేసి DevOps కి కూడా సపరేట్ గా మెన్షన్ చేయాలి.
Yeah, definitely. Like, మీరు DevOps లోపలే AWS పెట్టచ్చు, and then 2 years కాబట్టి you no need to put two different AWS and DevOps. Put one, because you have only 2 years of experience kada. Either put DevOps, either you put AWS. That should be sufficient.
ఓకే సార్. అంటే సార్ ఏ అన్నయ్య వాళ్ళని అడిగితే ఏమన్నారు అంటే ఓన్లీ రోల్స్ అండ్ రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీస్ పెట్టండి సరిపోతుంది అని చెప్పారు.
That should be
కొంచెం
fine.
కన్ఫ్యూజన్
But
అన్నమాట.
but you know, if you send a resume to me,
ఓకే.
right, guys, if you send a resume to me, first I'll see what is the project that you have done. I don't care about roles and responsibilities. So our project law, if let's say I have a requirement and I'll see your project, and if you have done the same kind of things, then definitely I would be considering you for the interview. So roles and responsibilities also, okay, petandi, roles and responsibilities petandi, and then put one project also that will good for your resume.
Okay,
so, yeah. So guys, related to these kind of questions, please mail me. So let's have fun here, just a normal discussion. But I'm always reachable for it. And also one more important thing is if you are done with the DevOps and if you're good, just send me your resumes. You know, right? I have started a new company in Hyderabad. I'm actually a director and VP. VP ante vice president. Okay. So if there is definitely we are aiming for some very good projects. If at all I get a new projects, then the first consideration would be my students only. So that's the reason why I said keep in touch in the Facebook page, and I'll be posting these kind of things in Facebook. You can reach me anytime on that.
Hi sir, I'm Sri Lakshmi.
Hi Sri Lakshmi ji.
Sir, your teaching is very nice, sir. We just liked a lot, and we're gonna miss you, and we miss your classes, sir. I have completed my BTech in 2018. 18. So 18. So I have completed this AWS because I got married. So I have joined now in AWS course. So only AWS we can't get a job, or else we need to learn some other.
If you are putting experience, then DevOps is also required, Sri Lakshmi, right? So because if you have put an experience, you will get get the jobs with the only AWS also. Just put AWS freshers job in the Google. You will get so many. You just need to reach them. That's all. So but what I recommend is, if you're putting, you said 2018 graduated, right? 19, 20, 21. So 3 years. So
yes.
If I don't know whether you can go with this as a fresher. If it is fresher, please go ahead. Otherwise, you know what I'm saying, right? So manage it and then learn DevOps, and you can go with the AWS, pure AWS also possible.
Okay, sir.
Okay, ma.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Sri Lakshmi. Yes. Anyone? Vandana, it's not cloud practitioner. Directly go with solution architect. Mazhar, participation certificate, please check with Naresh Shetty. Yeah. Vandana, for freshers also go with solution architect. Guys, you can write cloud practitioner also. That's fine.
Yes. Hi. Good morning, sir. This is Prasad.
Hi, Prasad ji. Hi. Good morning.
Good morning, everyone. Firstly, I would thanks to Riaz sir for his way of teaching by using MS Paint.
Yeah. Thank you.
Also, before joining this course, actually, I don't have much knowledge on the cloud environment, even though I am working in IT industry. But now I'm very much confident. Like I can able to understand any kind of cloud environment. Excellent. And I capable to work on any cloud environment. Also, one more point I need to add here is what I feel, if there is 1 or 2 sessions, if conducted on any real-time project from end to end, that will be more helpful to the experienced people, actually, I feel.
Yeah, for this Prasad, Naresh Shetty has a separate program for this, because and eventually it's I should not talk like this, but yeah. So we have what we have because we are working for them, Prasad ji, you know very well the things. So for the real time projects and all, they have a separate course. So you should reach them for that project, for that real time I think it's 2, 3 or 1 week. I think, I don't remember, but they are conducting AWS projects separately, like for the experienced guys. So my course is for going everything what we have done, and next things would be like, if you need extra things, then you need to reach them. You should know. You are you know already on that.
Okay.
Yeah. All the best, Prasadji.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. This is Fazlu here.
Hey, Fazlu. Yeah.
So firstly, I would like to thank for what you have done for us with this. Through this course, definitely it was kind of such a nice experience for us while trying to learn the AWS thing. And I would like to appreciate the approach how you have designed this teaching from your side. Why? Because due to some unforeseen conditions and some family health issues, I was supposed to drop for a few classes.
Okay.
But as you have covered the theoretical topics at the very starting, you have covered almost all the theoretical topics which you are supposed to show us in practical. So when I joined after some time, then I thought it's not kind of a new topic for me. So
excellent.
Yeah. So the approach what you have designed for yourself to teach students, that was actually excellent, sir. Thank you so much for that thing.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, right? So I had a gap of at least 1 or 2 weeks, I guess. But even after 2 weeks of gap, but still I feel that, okay, I haven't missed much here. So that was my
Yes. So if you say that, if you feel that, so I have achieved my goal. So basically my goal is also the same thing. So none of the people should feel really new. So yeah, very good, Fazlu. And that too, my brother-in-law names was also Fazlu. So nice to meet you. I cannot hear Fazlu. Yeah, guys, next. Can you hear me?
Hello.
Oh, yes. Yeah.
Hi, sir. This is Deependra.
Hi, Deependra.
Hi, sir.
Hi, one of the noted
excellent,
guys.
sir. You are. Sir, your teaching method was amazing, sir. And I am from telecom domain. I have 8-year experience in telecom domain. So I have no idea about anything about IT or AWS. I just learn everything because of you, sir. And as you know, sir, like I want to switch my domain because in telecom domain there is not much opportunities right now.
Yeah.
So, sir, please suggest me what should I do for because as a fresher or as an experienced guy, I'm not suitable for like any kind of.
Don't worry. Keep the telecom with less experience. Put AWS more experience, and then the next goal for you guys would be the DevOps. Finish the DevOps, and you get super more confidence, and then just go ahead, Deependra. Don't think at all.
Sir, can I go for 1 or 2 year experience if I show that and directly for AWS?
Yeah, why not? Yes, please try it out. Please, you can. You can.
So is there like any kind of like back-end support kind of jobs are there for AWS also? Like simple like whatever I learned from this course, purely based on that kind of thing.
Yes, it's there. It's there. Definitely it's there, Deependra. So what you do is basically just go through the Google, just go and check Naukri and then Monster, see the job description. Okay. See the job description and see where do you fit it. So where like, if you fit it, then simply go and apply, guys. So whatever we have discussed is sufficient. And if at all they have set some new services, you can just explore. This should be easily possible. It just now you need to try, Deependra. Definitely, I wish and all the best for your next things.
Once if I got any job on the basis of AWS or whatever, sir, in IT, I will definitely mail you.
You'll definitely mail me, or you'll come and hit me here.
Yeah, if I got that chance, I definitely come to you, sir.
Okay, I'm not saying meeting, hitting. Abhi साले तू तो AWS सिखाया अभी हाँ?
No, sir.
Okay,
You are amazing,
great.
sir. Your teaching methods are great, sir. Simply awesome.
Thank you, Deependra. All the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So this is Fazlu. I just got disconnected from the meeting.
Yeah, Fazlu ji. Yeah.
Yeah, I was telling. I mean, I have heard what I was saying. So I would like to thank you so much, sir, for your kind of teaching, for your way of teaching. That was an excellent and amazing experience. See, I'm an 7 years experienced in IT field on ETL side. So for me, the way what you are teaching it, sir, so it will be, if you're a person, if a person who just passed out from, who just did +2, even he can understand. So that was, it was that level of teaching what you are doing here. I think you are doing an excellent job, and I would like to say hats off to your patience. So when people are asking the repetitive questions, I haven't seen you getting irritated for such kind of repetitive questions. So hats off for your patience. And I have 2 questions here, sir, regarding this thing. So actually, due to some, I have some conditions because of which I have missed few classes. So is it permissible for me to join your classes again in the coming course for few which I have missed?
Definitely, you can, Fazlu bhai, you can reach Naresh, our Naga Babu, and tell him that this problem, and then I don't mind to get back you here again in some course, but it's the management decision. So tell him the concern, and if they're okay, I'm okay. I'm fine completely. Yeah.
That was one thing. So secondly, see, I'm an experienced person. Basically, my stream is totally different from solution architect. So I'm on ETL side. So if I put, after doing certification, if I'm just keeping as AWS certified in the resume, that would be helpful for me.
Yes, why not? Definitely. So so ETLs and all, like, you can explore bit. We have the services for AWS or ETLs also. So definitely, please put AWS certification. Definitely, this will be added value for your resume. Yeah. Definitely put it.
So one last thing before I commence. Sir, I know there is a service called AWS Glue for ETL in AWS. So is it possible if you have any kind of notes for that so that I can read and go through it and I can explore myself?
Sure, Fazlu bhai. So if at all I have, usually I don't have, but if I'll send you a reference for that to learn, definitely.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your teaching, and thank you so much.
Thank you, Ji. Thank you. All the best. Yeah. Okay. So anyone?
Hello, sir.
Hey.
Hello, sir. Piyush.
Hi, Piyush ji. Smiley guy.
First of all, thank you, sir, for giving me such a fruitful knowledge about AWS.
Thank you.
And I have a question, sir. One girl asked earlier, I also 2018 pass out. And after that, I'm doing some business. The business was flop. So right now I'm only teach AWS. So in this role, what should we do now, sir?
You don't have IT experience?
I don't have IT experience.
Okay, so either 2018 graduated, right? 19, 20, 21, 3 years. So
yes.
I should not speak it here in public forum, but should manage, try it out as a fresher, or you should put in an experience. So 3 years meaning AWS plus DevOps, Piyush. Nice combination.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Piyush.
Thank you.
Great.
Yeah. Hi, sir. This is Hari.
Hari-ji. Yeah, hi.
Yeah, I would like to thank you for your AWS training, sir.
Thank you.
You're the one of the best trainer for AWS.
Thank you for the kind words. Yeah.
Yeah, the way of teaching and explanation is awesome, sir. Actually, you are explaining like there is one movie, right? Atadu movie. They will say like మొక్క కంటు కట్టినట్టు అదేందో అలా కొడుతున్నాను.
ఓకే ఓకే యా యా అవును గుర్తుంది.
సార్ ఎంఎస్ పెయింట్ లో మీరు చెప్తారు కదా సార్ నీట్ గా కాన్సెప్ట్ వాట్ ఈస్ సబ్నెట్, ప్రైవేట్, పబ్లిక్ అండ్ ఇంటర్నెట్ గేట్వే.
అవును అవును
చాలా చాలా బాగుంది సార్ మీ AWS ట్రైనింగ్ వర్క్.
గ్రేట్ అండి.
థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ సార్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి. ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్.
ఐఎమ్ ఆల్సో ETL డెవలపర్ సార్. ఐఎమ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్డ్.
ఎక్సలెంట్ యా ఎక్సలెంట్. మీరు అది చూడండి లైక్ AWS Glue, Redshift ఇలాంటి కొన్ని
yes sir, actually I joined for that course only but I didn't get that much.
అంటే like this see we need to so maximum అది that is some completely different అంటే experience people ki. So we should take everyone, like there are many people here who are just coming up, homemakers, housewives, and then freshers, and they are coming from other background to this. So I need to take everyone. So if I start teaching Glue, it will take only 2 days for me. Glue, Redshift and all. But the thing is, for them, they will lose confidence. Inta heavy gundani. So once they have set up everything now see everyone are feeling very confident, and on top of it you can easily go up and learn some other extra services by yourself now. That's the thing. Yeah. Try it out.
Actually initially I was a little bit nervous about that networking concept sir, but after that right I am very comfortable. Whatever your teaching style right, I really understand very well.
Excellent Hari. Thank you.
Thank you very much sir.
Thank you. All the best.
Yeah, I will try for that certification sir.
Sure, definitely guys, you try for the certification, you do it and just mail me, and and also I'm getting an emails that you got the jobs. I'm proud of you guys, and just mail me whatever you get, you achieve it. And also please don't forget to put it on my Facebook page whenever you have achieved something.
Yeah, sure sir.
Okay.
Thank you very much sir.
Thank you Hari. Thank you. All the best.
You're welcome sir.
Yeah. Anyone else? Okay. All right. So yes, someone.
Sir, this is Mandeep sir.
Hey Mandeep.
How are you sir?
Good, yeah, thanks for asking. How about you?
Yeah, I'm fine sir. I have graduated in 2020. I'm a fresher now, so I don't have any knowledge of Linux, Red Hat, whatever you are teaching. So I got a basic knowledge of everything and every concept of AWS. Thanks for it. And also one thing I have to, as a drawback of this course is I think as recordings. See, everybody is not able to sometimes of urgency problems or emergency problems, anything it is. They cannot able to attend the classes. It should be of one class or 2 classes or some classes. It should have a recording session for us. I mean, we didn't have a recordings. So some people have skipped their emergency purposes for your class, sir. Even myself, I am.
I understand that. I understand that is completely out of my control.
Because, I know, sir. But I hope that you have to take this step to that Naresh IT, management. So it will be helpful for another batches who are coming from Naresh IT.
Yeah, definitely, because they will be also thinking from business point of view also. So they have n number of things.
Yes sir, I know, but you have to send a mail that only private access, so that only our mail could access, we can access. No sir, that is possible.
Yes,
not sending a YouTube links or through WhatsApp. We can send it as mail and we can keep it as log, so nobody can access it for ourselves. That could be a better option, I think. Even my friends, some are doing in some courses, they have getting their recordings. That was our feeling. That's it.
Sure, definitely. I'll inform. I'll take your feedback and I'll inform that.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. And also, you said you will say about your company, but you forgot, I think.
Company about what?
Yeah, your present company name and details or something.
Present company name, it's okay. So
I know, but is it visible on a first class itself? So I cannot speak.
I can understand. Smart people, they already know because they can get it easily from my screen share. But yes, that's the thing. I know.
Like bookmarks.
Yeah, man. Come on. Okay, let it be.
Yeah, okay. I don't mind seeing this.
Yeah.
But is there any requirement for fresher in your company? I was asking previous times.
In my
couple of times.
In my own company, definitely there will be. We are waiting for some big projects. But if at all, definitely I'll be posting in my. I tell you, I don't go and search in the market. I'll just inform in my Facebook page. So send me a resumes, and then we'll shortlist and we'll be taking. So already I have 8 to 10 employees, and all of them are my students only.
Wow, that's nice, sir.
Yeah. So it's just about the time. Pray for my company, and then if we get something really good, we all meet together.
I hope you will get a great project.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. If at all required, can I send a mail for fresher job opening like 9M batch student like that?
Sure, definitely, yes.
Okay. You forgot one deal, sir. Our last class should be video on.
Video on. So,
many people are asking. You see the chat, sir. Many of us are just wanted to see.
I missed the chat. Sorry. Oh my God! Switch on your camera.
Till now, it is like Alexa or this.
Okay.
all kind of.
Alexa, switch on your camera. Okay. Oh my God. Switch on Ria sir camera. Okay. So you cannot. In funny note, I can say you can hear Ria sir voice. You cannot see his face. Huh?
It's funny, okay, but it would be something weird. Like you have given a great teaching, so we don't know your face. That
okay, so just hold on then. 1 second.
Yeah.
Let me stop my screen share. But not a video, but hold on. So
yeah, it's okay. Anything is fine for us.
Anything is fine.
Because అలాగనే
మోహన్ చూపించరా నాయనా చాలు. Okay.
So if we are in Hyderabad, I'm not a Hyderabad local. So when I came to Hyderabad, when I see you, I would definitely meet you. That's what I'm thinking for.
Sure. So okay, you want to see me? At least my photo.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. There we go. It's there, me.
Wow. In first class, you had to post this, no, sir?
Not that. I don't like to present myself. So, yeah.
Okay.
You saw me, right?
Yeah. You can off your screen. That's fine for everyone.
Yes. So, yes. Great.
Thanks. Somebody asking your present company.
Okay, handsome. Huh? Thank you. Present company. Okay, hold not. Okay, so yes, great, Manideep. Nice talking to you. Okay, so I think you have got baby face. Oh my God, that's okay. Anyone wants to talk? We have 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Anyone else?
Okay, sir. My turn is completed.
Yeah. Bye, Manju.
Okay, sir.
Great. Okay, then. So, guys, I'm always reachable on my email. So I'll keep an eye definitely on those who have given me the feedback. I would love the rest of them. Many people out here have not shared the feedback. I would really appreciate if you do that. And all kind of, if anything requirement is there, definitely I'll be posting it in my Facebook. You can always reach me, and you know my email ID also. And guys, what I would like to say is thank you very much from my bottom of my heart for giving this wonderful opportunity to teach you. every batch is special for me, and like the same, this batch is also super special because there are many people who are very hyperactive, experienced guys, non-experienced guys, non-IT guys. So it's my and I should apologize for the delay that got happened due to some my personal reasons. So usually I don't take leaves. I don't take nothing. Basically, I'm very perfect and punctual. So that's the only apologize from my side that for extending the number of days. So and thank you very much. And I wish all the best for your future endeavors. And the world is very small. We can definitely meet each other at any point of time. And I'll be really missing you guys, especially this 9 a.m. batch and the hyperactive guys over here. And I don't want to be very emotional. So, and all the best, guys. God bless you. And I wish everyone to get well settled. And God must give you a good health and good prosperity and good wealth also. Keep smiling and be simple and love all. Thank you very much, guys. And this is your Riaz sir. Thank you very much. And signing off. Goodbye.
Sir, can I say something?
Yes, please.
I think you're answering every question in a group from now, from beginning onwards, from till end. But I think somebody is asking a couple of times that what is the certification has been we should do like a required for fresher or something. Can you please answer it, sir?
Freshers. For freshers and for experience, I would suggest that to go with AWS Solution Architects. Solution Architect Associate. Even for fresher and experience, just go with Solution Architect certification.
Okay, sir. Okay. Me myself, I will do certification within a week.
Yeah, mail me,
please. After revising all our topics.
Yes.
See you soon, sir. Bye.
See you. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.
Yes, sir. One last word.
Yes,
you are the real AWS hero.
Yeah. That's so kind of the words. I'm not, but I'm just striving for that.
I really attend the AWS Heroes class, but you are the real AWS hero.
Thank you, Ma. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for that.
Thank you, sir. We miss you.
We miss you too. I miss you too. Yeah. Thank you very much.
Miss you, sir.
Thank you. Miss you too, guys. Thank you very much.
Bye, yes, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Bye, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
sir. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Bye, sir.
Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Bye.